Here's how to convert iPhone photos to JPEG on Windows. I created an app called ConvertSave, and it works on Windows and on Mac, and it can convert your photos and your videos and your audio too. So we go and select these HEIC photos. Those are those iPhone photos. They could also be HEIF, and we can drag them into ConvertSave and then select whatever format you want. So we can do JPEG, we can do JPEG, JPEG, or PNG or anything else. So we click JPEG, click convert, and it's that simple. This is convert save. It converts and then it saves right back where those photos came from. I created this with my brother because I was sick of going to weird, sketchy websites to do all my file conversions. And so we created this app and it converts images, but it also converts video and it also converts audio. So if you have iPhone video you want to convert on Windows, you can do the same thing. Drag it in, select your output, and then hit convert. Hopefully this helps you convert your iPhone photos that you have on your Windows machine, or maybe you've got iPhone photos from someone else. Those HEIC photos can be a pain to work with sometimes, but you can convert them straight to JPEG really easily with ConvertSave. There's a link in the description down below, or you can just go to convertsave.com. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.